I'm in Ybor City today at Centennial Park. It's the annual Ybor City Cigar Festival, and the festival grounds and everything are right behind me here. So it does cover a couple of blocks. Lots of cigar vendors, food trucks, entertainment. So I'm going to wander around and see what this is all about. I'm excited.
Factory up there. So he deals with all the raw material brokers and stuff. How many in the box?
You know, so many men go shopping with their wives and they're bored out of their minds. This is like my husband's dream, this cigar festival. It's now pouring here, and Darren went to look at one more stand, and then we grabbed some Puerto Rican food. We're gonna go eat that in the car, and then we're headed back to where we're staying, taking care of 2 dogs. I gotta get it from
Just leaving the Ybor City Cigar Festival. We spent about 3 hours here, looked around. It was amazing. Lots of vendors selling different cigars, food trucks, a few, drinks. Unfortunately, the skies opened up on us and we got soaked. I'm soaked. Fortunately, I bought a t-shirt, so when I got back to the car, I changed my t-shirt. Got this really cool Ybor t-shirt from Ybor City. Thank goodness I bought it. But it was it was an amazing time. It's unfortunate the skies opened up and kind of ruined the day, but we were here for about 3 hours and we had a good time. If I'm in the area again next year, I would definitely come back to this.